welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this really fun kind of mermaid look using my ABH Subculture palette. I really wanted to do something fun with the really cool colors in this palette, and so this is the look that I came up with. I am feeling under the weather today, but I still wanted to film a look for you guys, so I pushed through it. I'm dying of sweat right now, but that is okay. But yeah, please keep watching if you guys want to see how I got this look. Okay, so my eyelids are already primed and set, so I'm going to take the shade Dawn and buff that all in my crease with this fluffy blending brush.
But I won't let your words reach me anymore.
Next, taking the shade Edge and taking a smaller blending brush and just blending that shade right in the crease. I'm going to keep applying more color to slowly build up that yellow shade and kind of bring it up higher as well as a bit lower on the crease so that you can see the yellow pop out from out of the blue color. Next, I'm taking Untamed and I'm starting to apply this on my outer corner and slowly bringing that into the center of my lid where it will meet the shimmery shade. So again, I like to slowly but surely build up these dark shades, especially with this palette as it is very pigmented and there's lots of fallout, so slowly but surely I did that. And then to darken that outer corner, I took the shade Axis with a more precise brush. I kind of stippled the shadow on and then kind of like blended it into the center of my into my lid and kind of brought it out a bit to kind of give it a larger outer corner as well. I went back to that yellow shade called Edge with that same brush and I just kind of blended off the edges, made sure that there was no harsh line between the yellow and the blue. I just wanted it to be really nice and seamless and gradient, and then I of course went back to Edge and just built up that outer corner after all that blending.
Rise up now, but I will.
For the shimmery shade on the lid, I'm taking this gorgeous shade Electric. Oh, I gotta get my H2O on. I'm taking this MAC 242 brush and applying that from the inner corner all the way to the center where it meets with that blue teal shade. I'm slowly but surely building this color up as well, and then I decided that I wasn't getting as much pigmentation as I wanted, so I sprayed my brush with some FixPlus, and I always make a ugly face when I do that. And then I just applied more of that shade and kind of met them in the middle so that it was again nice and seamless and that they blended so beautiful together. I got a little visit from my Poochie. Then I took my tattoo liner by Kat Von D and I did a teeny tiny little wing with this liner. I didn't want anything too big and drastic as I didn't want it to take away from all the pretty colors on my eyes, so I just did a tiny little wing. I applied some L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara to prep my lashes for my Ardel Demi Whispies. And then to prime my face, I used the Benefit Porefessional and just applied that to smooth out the skin. And then I used this Maybelline Fit Me, I think it's like the smoothing one. It's not the matte or it's not like the dewy one. And then I blended that out with my Morphe brush. It's my flat top Kabuki Y6. It is amazing. It's not only a great brush, but it is so pretty with the gold handle. I just love this brush so much.
Making me feel strong, but I won't let your words reach me anymore.
Taking the amazing Tarte Shape Tape and applying that to my under eyes to conceal and brighten. I love this concealer, it is amazing. I'm going to blend it out with my Beauty Blender. And I was super sad because when I cleaned it last time, I was a little rough on it and it ended up kind of peeling on the one side. So I'm super sad that I was too crazy with cleaning my blending brush or my blending sponge, and now getting wrecked, and I'm super sad about it. So I'm just going to continue to blend out that concealer. I'm going to set all that concealer with my Mercier translucent setting powder and this tapered brush by Luxie Beauty. And then for my bronzer today, I'm taking this Kevyn Aucoin. It's a bronzer and highlight duo, and I'm going to contour my cheeks with this. I absolutely love this bronzer. It is the perfect contouring shade. I just love it so much. When I run out of the little tiny duo that I bought, I'm totally going to go buy the full size version of this bronzer. It is so pretty. It's not crazy pigmented, so it doesn't like splash a bunch of pigment on your cheeks. I feel like it's super blendable, and it just like, yeah, it's like butter. I love it. I did a slight contour on the nose as well, nothing too harsh, something a bit more natural. And then I didn't want to take away from the eye look, so I just kept it simple with this Wet n Wild blush. I can't remember the shade at the top of my head, but it'll be written down in the description box below. And for my highlight, I took the Becca Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop highlighter and applied that to my cheekbones. I did also the top and tip of my nose and Cupid's bow. For my lower lash line, I'm going to start by taking the shade Edge and just blending that out with a smudger brush. And then I wanted that shade to be super gradient, so I just took a big fluffy clean blending brush and blended that shade out so it was nice and diffused. And then I took the shade Untamed on that same smudger brush and just kept that shade right along the lash line all the way to the other end. And then to kind of deepen the outer corner, I took the shade Access, but I didn't take it any further than the center of my bottom lash line. Because this palette didn't really have a highlight for my brow bone shade, I went to my Colourpop and KathleenLights palette, and I took the shade Moony just to highlight my upper brow bone and inner tear ducts. For my lip color today, I did a bit of a mixture. So first I'm taking Colourpop and KathleenLights 0.0 Ultra Satin Lipstick. And then I wasn't 100% satisfied with the shade. I felt like it was still too dark and was taking away a bit from my eye look. So I took my Stila Stale Day liquid lipstick in Carmelo and I put that shade on top just to lighten the lip a tad. And then to keep my makeup on, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this fun blue and greenish colored look. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!